You gotta run, boo.
Yeah, literally that's all I do. It's just run places.
You better move, boo.
Oh, this guy following me.
He's got it now. He ain't stopping for you.
You're perfect.
Come on. Let's do a little problem solving without choking yourself out. Come here, Dre. Come on. Let's see if you can do it. Easy, easy. Easy. Come on. I know you can do it. You just don't know how yet. Oh, there you go. Come on. This way. There you go. Now you're going to get stuck again. All right, back it up, back it up. Easy. Easy. Come on, back it up. Back it up. You can do it. You're smarty pants, you can do it.